Welcome back to A Great Place to Learn. My name is Jeffrey, a co-founder at Kash-In. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add products to your incentive store.
20.
It's just different.
Okay, let's jump right into it. Today we're going to be talking about how to add products and incentives into a store that you've already created. So first we're going to need to get to our store. I'm going to click on Store and then List. It's going to have a list of the stores that you've already created, and we're going to be adding it to our Kash-In incentive store. So we'll click there, and then we're going to click on Products. Now we have a list of products here already, but we want to add something new. So we're going to go to the top right here where it says Add New Product. And we're going to be adding a oversized pencil. And we're going to give it a description, number 2 pencil, accepted everywhere pencils are needed. We'll give it a price of $20, and that will get you 1 pencil. At the bottom here, it's going to give you an option to add a picture. I already have one selected, so I'm just going to upload it. And then there's your picture right here at the bottom. Last thing we need to do is click Save. And you'll get a notification that says Product Saved. You can X out of that, and you can go back to your store, and you'll see you have your new product listed right here with the price of $20 and the quantity of 1. But I see that the number 2 pencil and the oversized pencil are both the same price. So if I want to change that, I can just click on the product and we'll double the price to $40, and then we'll hit Save. You'll get a product updated notification. You can X out of that and go back to your store, and you'll see your oversized pencil has been updated to $40 for 1 pencil.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, be safe, be kind, be smart.